Okay, good morning students. So lecture 3, chapter 12, electricity physics. So we are continuing the electricity chapter, that is third session. So previous class we discussed about the concept of current, how the current will flow, and concept of charge, and electrical potential and potential difference. Now today we are going to discuss about the concept of electric circuit and symbols. As you know, previous class also we discussed the concept of electric circuit little bit. So here once again I will tell you, electrical circuit, it is a continuous flow of current in a closed loop, we call it as electrical circuit. So electrical circuit, and it is consists of various components. Also it is connected across this electrical circuit. So generally electrical circuit, it is a continuous flow of current in a closed loop. Generally what happens in this electrical circuit, you might have seen the current will. So generally the circuit will be like this. So here, when always the current will flow from positive to negative terminal, whereas the electrons will flow from positive to negative, whereas the electrons will flow from negative to positive. So the conventional flow of current is always opposite to the flow of electrons, we can say. So now here in this one we'll come to the various symbols of the electrical circuit. So here first will come what is electrical cell. So electrical cell, it is a device which converts the chemical energy to electrical energy. So it is a source to the circuit. So generally when electrical cell is connected, the cell creates the potential difference between the 2 points. It makes the charges to move from one point to another point. So how the electrons will be moving from negative to positive, conventional current will be moving from positive to negative. Then the cell will provide the movement of the charges. So what happens as the movement of charges will take place, there is a flow of current is produced. So again, this point, the bigger one terminal we call it as positive point, and the smaller one we call it as negative point. Now we will come to the battery. So battery means it is the combination of cells. For example, the cell is having one cell is having 3 volt. If you are having again 3 volt of 3 cells, so totally it will be of 9 volt. 9 volt power supply we are connecting. See, battery, it is a combination of 2 cells. Actually battery, they are connected either in series or parallel, you can say. When the cells are connected in series, or when the cells are connected in parallel also. When we say the series connection and parallel connection, we will study more detail about it next class. So generally when positive, that is negative terminal of the first cell is connected to the positive terminal of the second cell. So negative terminal of the second cell is connected to the positive terminal of third cell. Such type of connection we call it as series connection, we can say. So in parallel connection, all positive terminals are connected to one side and all negative terminals are connected to another side. We call it as parallel connection. So here we can say battery is a combination of that is group of cells. It consists of 2 or more cells. We call it as battery. Now we come to the plug key. So whenever the plug key allows or disallows the flow of current in a circuit. So generally it is like a on-off switch, we can say. So whenever it is that the switch is open, here plug is open, there will be no flow of current in the circuit. When there is no flow of current in the circuit, the devices won't glow, or if we are connecting bulb to that particular circuit, the bulb will not glow. There is no flow of current in the circuit, we can say. So whenever we want to stop the flow of current in the circuit, just we need to open the key. When the key is open, it shows that the circuit flow of current is totally stopped, we can say. So the symbol of this plug key is open, it will be like this. Okay. Now we will come to the next one. Plug key is closed. When we say plug key, the symbol of plug key is closed. So when we are keeping one dot mark here center, it shows that it is the plug key is closed. When the plug key is closed, the current will start flowing from one point to another point. The devices which are connected, the current will start flowing across that device, and if bulb is connected, the bulb will glow. It it shows there is a flow of current in the circuit, we can say. So whenever you want to make the flow of current in the circuit, we need to just the key is closed, then the current start flowing. We can say the switch is on. So when the switch is on, the current will start flowing. So now we come to the wire joint. Whenever, so in circuit is a combination of large number of electrical wires. See, for example, if to join one wire with another wire, its symbol will be like this. It will be get connected to like this. So now we come wire crossing without joining. So for example, there are, as I told you, is combination circuit means combination of large number of wires. So whenever if you want to pass one wire with another wire, so there will be the symbol will be taken like this. So the wire will be crossing it without joining, without touching with the other circuit, we can say. So now we come to the electrical bulb. So generally electrical bulb, it is a source of light. So generally bulb, whenever there is a source of current is flowing in a circuit, the bulb will glow. It shows that current is flowing. Sometimes what happens, if the bulb is not glowing, it shows that there is no flow of current in the circuit. The symbol of bulb is, it will be like this. Suppose the bulb is, it is on, it is shining, it is just glowing. So it shows it will be indicated by like this. So if it is simple, only bulb is there, then we can write this symbol also. So now we come to the resistor. So the resistor or resistance, we can say the symbol of this resistor is this one. As you know, the main function of the resistor in the circuit is to oppose the flow of current in the circuit. So when the resistors are more in the circuit, the current will be less. So whenever we want to reduce the current in a circuit, so we will fit with the more number of resistance. As the resistance is more, current will be less. So we are going to study the resistor function, how it will be working, and in that is next session. So the resistor, its unit will be ohm. It is measured in terms of ohm, we say. So here the main function of the resistor is to oppose the flow of current in the circuit, we can say. Now we come to the variable resistance. Variable resistance means, see for example, this is the resistance of fixed value. For example, it is 5 ohm. It opposes 5 ampere, 5 ohm of opposition only. It is opposing some amount of current. But here variable resistance, here the value of resistance can be increased or decreased. For example, if the resistance value is 5 ohm, here variable we can increase the value of resistance or we can decrease the value of resistance. Whereas if we are increasing the more resistance, so what happens? More amount of current will be opposed. If we are reducing the less amount of resistance, so what happens? Less opposition to the flow of current is taking place. It is like a regulator in the fan. How we are increasing the fan regulator, how the speed of the fan will be increasing. As we are decreasing, if we want to decrease the speed, again we are reducing this regulator in reverse. So the speed of the fan will be reduced. So now it is like a variable resistor. We can increase or decrease the value of resistor, we can say. Now we come to the emitter. So emitter, it is actually to be discussed as the flow of current we call it as, there is flow of charges we call it as current. Current is having the unit we call it as ampere, and it is measured by instrument we call it as emitter. So current is measured by instrument we call it as emitter. The symbol of emitter is like this. This one is positive and this one is negative. Positive is always in red color, negative is in black color, you can say. So this emitter is always collected in series with the circuit. So whenever there is a current flowing in a circuit, if we want to measure that how much current is flowing, this emitter will show that how much current is flowing in a circuit. So this emitter is always connected in series with the circuit. Because of its low resistance, it is always connected in the series. So now we come to the voltmeter. As you know, the potential difference of another name is voltmeter. The voltmeter, it is measures the potential difference between the 2 points. Whenever we want to measure the voltage between the 2 points, the voltmeter is connected. This voltmeter is always connected parallel with the circuit. So why we are connecting these two parallel? Because of high resistance, they are always connected to the parallel. So generally voltmeter, whenever it is connected, it gives the potential difference between the 2 points, and also it shows the how much voltage across that 2 points it shows. So these are the various Now in this class we discussed the electrical circuit and what are the symbols of this electrical components and its functions we discussed. Next class we are going to study next session, that is Ohm's law, how to verify the Ohm's law. Okay, thank you.